Your biggest milestones and most treasured memories deserve special treatment. Whether you're looking for a way to capture important moments, show off original artwork, or display travel highlights, Michaels can help turn your favorite things into beautifully framed decor. Simply drop by the custom framing counter or schedule a free consultation to get started. Bring in your sports memorabilia, family photos, just about anything. Michaels certified designers will ask about your goals or help you discover them. We'll explain possible solutions and show you our wide variety of exclusive moldings and mats. If going to the store isn't convenient, you can easily start the process online at michaelscustomframing.com. There, you can preview a mock-up of your mats and molding choices before placing an order. We create most of our moldings at our world-class facility right here in the U.S. and use strict quality control methods to match your expectations. Michaels uses archival materials that help prevent light damage and discoloration, so you can enjoy your memories just as you captured them. When the store receives all materials, a specialist will check it again, then assemble your frame. Once everything is packed and ready for pickup, we'll contact you. We'll make sure you love it, and if you don't, we'll do everything we can to make it right. If you ordered online, Michaels will ship your custom frame directly to your door. So what are you waiting for? Get started today with Michaels Custom Framing.